Hello everyone, this is Gretchen or Strong and welcome to Createrati. So today we're going to have a tutorial on how to create and design a downloadable PDF cheat sheet or ebook for Mademoiselle Organic. So as you can see here, I have her material right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a beautiful ebook for her. Now I really love Google Slides because they have some amazing templates right here that you can work with. It does 80% of what, in my view anyway, 80% of what we need as entrepreneurs, and it means we don't even have to download or pay for Adobe InDesign. This is all completely free, a less steep learning curve, I guess you can say, than Adobe InDesign. So that's why I really love it. I use it for myself, for my own PDFs. My mentor uses it, and I use it for clients as well. And I even use it to create brand boards like this one. All right, so we're just going to go straight into it. These are Mademoiselle Organic's colors. What we're going to do next is basically look for a template that would sort of match the bright colors on there. So I'm kind of liking the look of this one. It's elegant and with a pop of color. So I'm previewing the layout as well. Yep, looks pretty good and looks pretty close to Mademoiselle Organic's colors. She's got gray and a bright primary color or base color, like the orange or coral right here. So the next thing we're going to do is choose the page setup right here. Normally I like to design in landscape mode, which is widescreen right here. I normally leave it at the default, but if you have a lot of text and you want it to have more of a book feel, then you can put in the sizes right here, like 8.5 by 11, I believe for US letter, or for A4. So now, as you can see here, it basically resized our shape. So what we can do is to go into the master right here. Okay, so just click slide, go to edit master, and what this means is it edits the whole layout for the entire document. So this is where you can update everything with your brand colors. That way you don't have to go to every slide and change each and every one of them.